Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start with a focused workspace, bright light, white scrap paper, and gloves so you don't transfer oils. Once ready, scan caps and bodies for cinnamon-like browns and group them together. This narrows many options immediately. Make sure to check manufacturer labels for color names. Sometimes cinnamon is called warm brown or spice. Then pick the top 3-5 suspects and place them on the scrap paper. This first cut saves time and gets you into controlled testing right away. You now do controlled tests to reveal true hue and undertones. Make a small dot from each suspect on white scrap paper. Once done, let it dry naturally for an honest color. Then swipe a cotton tip with 70% isopropyl across each dot to see pigment components. Red or yellow pulls indicate cinnamon warmth. Compare samples under neutral daylight and a lamp to ensure you're not fooled by ambient tint. This detailed check separates cinnamon from plain brown or orange. You finish by confirming with one definitive test. A paper strip chromatography using tape and a drop of alcohol to pull pigments. Cinnamon shows a warm mix of red-yellow bands. Once confirmed, label the marker cinnamon and store it upright in a cool place to preserve nib and color. If a sample looks too dark or ambiguous, dilute a tiny swab with alcohol and retest. This reveals hidden hues. If a marker is damaged or leaking, discard or repair the nib before reuse.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.